What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. I hope you guys are having an awesome day because we are about to have a pretty lit video. So today we got a new mod for the HELLCAT in the mail. So excited for this. This is something I always been wanting to do, and shout out to Demonology for kind of helping me out with this, and he's the one that recommended this mod for the HELLCAT. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open the package and then we're gonna take it to my friend's shop. He's gonna help us with the install because obviously he has a shop and I really don't have a shop, and at my house is not the most appropriate place to do this mod to the HELLCAT. So we're gonna go there and I'm gonna make a video on how to install all of this, and it should be fun, and then we're gonna test it out right after. I'm so excited for this, you guys have no idea. But anyways, let's open the package up and see what we got, because I haven't opened it yet, so you guys are gonna be the first to see it. All right guys, so we got the package, we got the knife, and I'm about to open it for the first time. And show you guys what we got here. As you can see, here we got Dodge Demon springs. Look at them, they're beautiful and orange. Of course, there's 4 of them. So I'm not gonna rewrap every single one of them because I don't want all this stuff flying. But you guys get the point. We have Demon springs, and yeah, we're pretty much gonna be doing wheelies with these. So Demonology said these are gonna help the weight transfer tremendously, and I took his advice and we're gonna put them on the HELLCAT. I am so excited to install these on the HELLCAT. He pretty much said I'll be doing wheelies on the street. That's how good they are. And the main reason I got these is because the track is about to open in a few days, and we're gonna finally see the HELLCAT at the track like you guys been wanting to see, and these are definitely gonna help us at the track. So I'm excited to get this all wrapped up and ready for the track. So we're gonna put this in the HELLCAT and then we're gonna get going to get it installed. So I got the box right here, got the Mustang in the HELLCAT. We're gonna put it in the trunk of the HELLCAT, and check out those black race stars. I am so happy that I painted them. I'm gonna put this on the ground for a little bit to get the trunk opened. The HELLCAT is literally like squeezed right in the it might not make it because it's right in the corner. It's probably gonna hit this. All right, so we're definitely not gonna open it. All right, we got a tiny bit of room. Let's see. So now let's start the HELLCAT and get on our way. So I just got off the phone with my friend who works at the shop, and unfortunately we have a problem. Okay, so the owner of the shop doesn't want me in the back to record. The reason is that somebody last week slipped up in the back, a customer, and now is deciding to sue them. So I'm gonna go and talk to the owner and tell him like, yo, this is my job. I would really appreciate if you let me record, you know. I'll just sign a waiver that says I can't sue him or something, you know, because I really just need to record this. I don't really care about suing anybody. I mean, I'm not gonna fall or anything like that. So I hate that I have to go deal with this because I don't have any other shop that could get my car done, and the track is tomorrow. So I don't want to miss the track opening because it's going to be a beautiful day. It's going to be 61 degrees, and I'm so excited for tomorrow. And hopefully he can just let us record in here so we can make our video. The only reason I'm going here is because, you know, of course he has the right tools and everything, and something like this I can't really install at my house. So we're gonna go and try. Wish us luck. Hopefully he'll allow me to record in there. All right guys, so here's the shop. I'm outside the shop right now, and I just dropped off my car, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the shop right here. I'll explain later what is going on. All right guys, there's the HELLCAT. It's all dropped off, and I'll tell you guys why it's dropped off, and I'm not staying with it in a second. Alright guys, we are back. We got the Mustang here. How lonely since the Hellcat is gone for now. So unfortunately, I can't record in the shop. It's just not possible. The owner wouldn't let me, and I get it. I get it. Somebody sued him, and you know he doesn't want to go through that all over again. I told him I'll sign a consent form, whatever. He said that doesn't work as well. So I mean, I needed to get my car done today because the track is tomorrow. I'm also gonna go get my tires balanced because remember, the idiot in California never balanced them and just let me go out racing with unbalanced, you know, tires. So that's what we're pretty much gonna do. The car should be done in a few hours. In the meantime, I'm gonna actually go to the gym and get a good workout in because I know, you know, been gaining weight, you kind of get caught up in the lifestyle. I'm always on the run making videos, and you eat out a lot, and eating out is terrible, and especially when you do it a lot like I do. You kind of lose yourself and you just start gaining weight and I'm in the middle of trying to get back to losing weight. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna pretty much go to the gym in the meantime since I can't record, unfortunately. I'd love to record, and it wasn't something simple that I could just do in my garage, so that's why I really took it to, you know, a friend of mine to get it done. Anyways, I'm gonna pick up the camera once we go to pick up the car. I am super excited for this one, and I hope you guys are too. Also, track day coming tomorrow. Are you guys ready? Because I'm super excited. It's opening day, and we're gonna have some fun with the Hellcat. You guys have never, ever seen the Hellcat at the track, but this time you guys will see it. We're gonna put it on the trailer tomorrow and take it up there. And also, we gotta go and test E85 stations to pick the best E85 I could put in the Hellcat, because I don't want to run it on bad E85. So the car is really low on gas. It's like on EE, so that's good because there isn't any bad E85 in there or anything like that. I'll just be able to put some new good E85 in there. So anyways, I'll see you guys once we go to pick up the car. But in the meantime, we're gonna take the Ram to the gym, and then after the gym we're gonna take it for a car wash to get it ready for the track. Look how dirty this thing is. I mean, it is beyond dirty. It looks good on camera. Everything seems to look good on camera, but in person it is really dirty. So we're gonna take it to the gym first, and then we're gonna go and get it a nice wash while the car is getting done.
2 hours later.
And just like that, it is all cleaned up. They kind of forgot to get this, so I'm gonna have to go home and get it. But besides that, it is pretty clean and it's good. I just gotta go home and dry it off. Like I said, when you're lazy, you gotta do things like this. Like I said, it is a touchless car wash, so I'm happy, and it looks good to me. So I just gotta do the hood and we're all good. All right guys, the truck is all cleaned up, and now we're just waiting for the Hellcat to get done so we can bring it back home. All right guys, so I just got word that the car is done. My friend's here to pick me up. We're gonna go and get the Hellcat and bring it back home and maybe do a few pulls with it and see how it does. So let's get it. So we just paid, and now we're gonna get the car. Also, right now I'm about to show you guys some pictures of the car being done. It's not that crazy of a process. Alright, let's take this baby out for a drive. So here's the problem we ran through. So since we put the springs, it lowered it a little bit, and then this is hitting this, and when you're driving, it's making the biggest squeaking noise ever, and it's making like when pipes rub on each other, that's the noise it's making. So what we're gonna do is he's gonna lower these a little bit so it doesn't rub. Yeah, this is what happened out of nowhere, me driving to the tire shop. Things like this always come up. So yeah, it lowered it a ½ inch from the front, and then I believe it lowered it a little bit from the back, which is why it's even causing this problem. Look at that right there. Man, this is the things that come up. We're gonna get this fixed and hopefully get to the tire shop anytime today. So basically, when we twisted the pipe over there, right here, it left this hanging. So this was hanging down, and we basically had to cut some stuff up to twist it so it goes up, and it was just so much that we had to do just because of these springs right here. And now it's getting welded right there. Almost done, baby. Almost done. Alright guys, it is all done now. We're just gonna bring it down and we're gonna be able to take it home. Alright, it's coming out. Finally, all done. We're ready to take her home. We are here at the tire shop and we're about to get this thing going. Alright guys, we are almost done and then we should be out of here. And now we're all ready to roll, baby. Let's get it. So we're about to get some 85, fill her all up because as you can see we're getting ready for the track. So and I'm super sick, so stay tuned for the track videos. Also, I gotta take out the seats and I'm running so behind on time. So we gotta take this and the back seats out. Hopefully we can get it done in time. All right guys, we are back home. Took everything out. I'm about to show you guys what I took out. Alright, as you can see, took the back seats, the fronts, and I put everything in a little Ziploc bag just so I don't lose them. Look at this, it looks like a parts store in here. Alright guys, so I am sick and tired of running around. I've been like so sick, you could even hear it in my voice, but today's the track day and I gotta keep pushing and just try to get through today. And then I can relax tonight. But anyways, if you guys like today's video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos, and be part of the family. And I will see you guys on the next video. Stay tuned for the track video. Whoop!